Let's start with Powtoon. Before you open up anything, take a look at this demonstration of the software. It gives you a beautiful, very short introduction in what is possible. Make it yourself. Combination of video and elements. 2D animation, whiteboard animation, 2D animation, make it yourself. This is a very short overview of what you can do in Powtoon. Let's start. Then you get this page. A confirmation email has been sent. Confirm your free account. Log in. Welcome to Powtoon. Now, of course, you want to get deals. Continue. Welcome to Powtoon. Choose what you'd like to do in Powtoon. Let's say work. Here you get a present. Enjoy your free trial with all premium scenes, characters and objects. 3 days. Afterwards you probably will have less to choose from. So, because this is what you get for the first 3 days, choose from the options above to create your first project. Let's create a marketing video. Then it says what kind of business are you in. Before we go any further, here you can always go to tutorials. If you lose your way, you have here very short, this is a 5-minute, explain before you start how to use the timeline, how to use the A to B feature, that is moving things from one side to another, the help center explaining writing the script, record the voiceover and add visuals. That is only one part, but that's a very easy way to start. There's also a help center. Let's open it up very short. And here you can get all sorts of questions asked. Getting started. Creating a new Powtoon. These are lectures. Use a ready-made template, start from scratch. And this is a way of questions answering that you might have. Now let's go back to my Powtoons. If you say let's make a marketing video, like here, they ask you what business you are in. I think that's a little bit confusing, but let's start with, since education isn't there, digital marketing. You can use all these videos for marketing, e-commerce. So they have chosen some animations, but if I go back to my Powtoons, then you're going to go over here and say, let's go for a template. Now you have here the section work, and here's where we start with video ads or marketing videos. So if you say video ads, you can see all the video ads that are 15 seconds, like the one we make, 35 seconds, 30 seconds here, and 6 seconds. Just click on one of the slides. You can preview it. then say use this template. Welcome to Powtoon. You can use everything for free. 3 days. Here you see the quick edit mode. And this is what it makes it very easy to make your own videos. This is slide 1. This is slide 2. And this is slide 3. So what you can do is just select it. And now it's light blue. And you can say, don't look at the competition. Now it's too big for this red thing that is behind here, so I make it a little bit smaller. Let's say 50. That is not good. 50. It's still too big. Let's say 40. Don't look at the competition. Now if you want this to be a bigger letter and you want the red slide to be bigger, click the red slide and you can just draw it, make it a little bit better. Because you are using the free version, it will have this watermark created using Powtoon. Then you can change this text. You can put in here your logo. What if we would open explainer video? You get 3 different explainer videos. And if we say more, you get your template category, explainer videos. All of these are different categories and they say what it is. Software update, core services, your product. 5 pieces of advice, meet the employee. But you can also say, I'm going for video ads. And you get all sorts of video ads, 15 seconds. Just to get an idea. So let's say we use this 15-second ad. The 15-second ad has 4 slides. A better way to connect. Multiply your awesomeness. And then here you can insert your logo. Get advice, promote your band, have fun. 4 organized slides. Let me play them for you. We are now in the quick edit mode. That means that you can change everything that you see here, but not add puppets or music, or you use the animation just as it is. That is very easy. If you want to start or if you want to change only a few elements, you can work in the quick edit. Maybe you've made a typing mistake, but I normally use the full studio. And in the full studio you have all different options. You can change this figure. You can make her pose differently. Or you can swap it for another figure from another style. And it already says here this is a pro style, meaning that you cannot use it in the future after 3 days unless you pay. Want to use this one? Take note, for the free version you will always have this logo created using Powtoon. What is different if you are working in the full studio is, first of all these things here. You have scenes, so you can replace it. Want a better way to connect? If you now click on this one, the first slide will change in this one or in this one. And you have welcome slides, specifics, image grids, situations, concepts, and so these are categories of slides. If at the end slide you think connect with the pros, no, we are here, then you use this slide. So it's very easy to change whole slides. Here are text options. You can just add a title, subtitle, but you can also use elements, text elements, like a speech bubble. You see? If you want him to be thinking something, you add a speech bubble. You don't want it, just press delete. There are titles. There are bullet points. It's beautiful because it's, if you add this is organized. And you just have to change the text and it is organized in a beautiful way. Or you have badges. Safety first, things like that. You can always pick it up and put it somewhere else. Then we have characters, and there are really an enormous amount of characters. So these characters are with the Pro. These are free, you see? Infographic characters are free. These are from the Pro, these are from the Pro. The business characters are free, but there are only 2 of them. The Picto is free. The Shadow is free. Choose another look. So these were inside the infographics. Suppose we want to see the cartoon looks. You will always see this is the Pro, but this is the free version. So you will always be able to use this. You see? These are all the characters from the cartoon. These are new, next generation characters. Heroes. Then we have props. Also here, Pro Plus, Pro Plus, Pro. The basic ones are free, like a computer. Then we have shapes. You can work with shapes as a background. Sound. There are sounds built in that you can use. You can add music, add a voiceover, choose a soundtrack. You can go to another look, like whiteboard, and you will get everything is different there. The scenes are different. It's in little color, background, hello. This is very important thing, because if you go down here you get to the others. Concepts. Beautiful, isn't it? I love the whiteboard style as well. So now we're in the whiteboard style. You have different sort of text. You have different sort of characters. You see, they are all different. And again, you have Pro or Pro Plus. You have props. They're also different. There are sparkles. There is sound is the same. Media. Free video backgrounds. You see? If you go to the modern edge look, everything is different again. Welcome. Add your title. Let's look down. Situations. These are beautiful slides. Get started here. Thank you. Text, characters. See, these are with different characters. Meet the pros, props. Shapes, sound, media, and specials. And finally you have the real look, which, let's go for background welcome. These are all real videos in the background, you see. In this case it is a picture. You can use props. Shapes, sound, media, free video backgrounds. Now you can say add to this slide. And now you have a video background. See? Use this little slide. Click on it. Add to this slide. And now you have this flag background, you see? Or people. Add to this slide. Play it. This is the overview of working with the full studio. You have here slides. So there are now 7 slides. And under here you see the elements. So let's play it, and you can see that one thing comes after another. These are the moments that they come in. So add title comes in at this moment. Now if you want to add title from the beginning, you should push it over here. Now let's have a look. Now it starts right away. So here you can see what element comes in at what time. Here you see these 2 images, and here you see the rays that is here. It's also selected. There are 7 things arriving at this time, as you can see. Add subtitle is text. And there is a fade exit effect. Let's have a look again. You see it fades at the end. This is basically the workplace of Powtoon.